How to apply vivid filters to your old photos on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can apply the vivid or other filters to your old photos at once. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Well, so now to do that, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Photos application, and let's say I have a lot of photos here. So these are the normal photos that I've taken. So let's say I just want to apply the vivid filter to all of these photos here. So now to do that, you just go ahead and open up one of these photos, and from here go ahead and tap on this edit option at the bottom right here and go to the filter, and then go ahead and select the filter that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to select the vivid, and once it gets applied, you just need to tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then simply go and tap on copy edits and tap on copy, and the edits will be copied. You just need to get back from here, and now you just need to go ahead and select those photos that you want to apply the vivid filter for. So let's say I'm going to select all of these photos from here, and once you have get selected, you just need to tap on this three dot line at the bottom right again and tap on the paste edit option, and once you do that, you'll get to see, boom, the filter has been applying. And the vivid filter has been applied to all of this photo that I have selected here. You'll get to see the vivid filter has been applied. And this is how you can actually apply the vivid filter to your old photos at once on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.